get this sprocket on. Loosen up the tensioner. I like how they have it double nutted. And a lock washer. Do that to both sides. Kick this back tire in as far forward as we can get it. Use an 8mm socket to take the cover off. You have one there and one down here. Make sure you put that ground back on. It's gonna be tight in there.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
I don't know. 10mm takes these off. Get that keeper off of there. The new one comes with a new one. Pull that off. And it's pretty tight there. I'm worried about that wire there. That wire running up is for the shift selector, so you can see what gear it's in. The old one is a 520/13, so that 15 is absolutely definitely not going to fit. It's hitting there. I think I have a 14 for this. Let me go look. So I did find a 14 that I got for the Cruiser 250. Let's see if that one will work. The casing must be different here because the Cruiser 250 did take a 15 tooth. That means I'm probably gonna have to go down some teeth on the back. I usually take it partially off the rear sprocket so it makes it easier to work. Then you can roll it back on. Get that back on there, tightened up. Roll that chain back on. Let's adjust the tension. Should be about 2 finger widths with slight pressure. That's pretty good right there. Make sure these are even. You gotta go a little more with that one. And tighten your axle back up. So the rear is a 520/38 tooth. Choho. I'm definitely gonna have to take some links off.
A few moments later.
I changed out that sprocket. So I'm probably only gonna gain like 3 miles an hour, but I did order a smaller rear sprocket, so. Geez, the temperature. Not gonna be halfway already. Hey, horsies. So 40 is about 4,000 right now. That means 80 would be 8,000. Take a cruise down to a dock and a little primitive boat launch I didn't even know about. Drove right by it a bunch of times, and Billy told me about it. Yeah, that Billy. Oh, what the heck kind of bug was that? Might be a good spot to put the kayaks for me and Mama. I had someone ask if it's hard to see the instrument panel, and it's really not. It is a tinted lens on top of it, but I could see it perfect by eye. Should have took the back way. I'll do the back way going home. He's moving. 55 miles an hour is about 4,800 RPMs now. That's just going up one on the front. Ozello Trail, this road, is the tail of the dragon of Florida. I've mentioned that before. But it has so many twists and turns. Right up here is a dragon for the Florida's tail of the dragon. There's 2 of them now. Here's the one. Right there. I love it. Love the 2-wheel therapy. If you know what I mean, you know. Salt River here. And I've driven by this dozens of times. Never checked it out. So this is the primitive boat launch. It's still a good spot. Put the kayaks in. Definitely. Hillbilly Lane. Yeehaw. And this is the little dock. Oh, he's got some crabs. How you making out? See, he's got some crabs. Blue claws, huh?
Yeah, I get you. Yeah,
He's getting them with a net. Oh, I guess he's getting them with his pole and then he uses the net. Good idea. Might as well go all the way to the end of Ozello Road since we're here. Not much of a pier out there, but it's enough. It's nice and small. The bike does handle good. Pretty light for a cruiser. Island Outpost. Great place to eat. Me and Mama went there before we went kayaking in the last video. Almost bought a fishing camp out here. Kind of wish I did when the prices were low. Everything's just about doubled here. Good twisties. nobody here today. Well, minimal. But it is a Monday. Used to be a restaurant here years ago. I talked to a couple that was supposed to try to buy this, but apparently they didn't. Yeah, there's the old restaurant there. What a shame. I'm sure it floods. Oh, there's honeybees back there. A lot of them. Wow. 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 High tide must have just been here. Floods the parking lot. All the way up into here if the wind's blowing. I just felt the fan kick on. Let's go see what those turkey vultures are eating. What you got over here? Fish. Figured. It must be. Sure is nice out here.
RPS Cruiser tearing through the night, power and style in the pale moonlight. 6 gears to freedom, leave the world behind. The road is my kingdom, my throne's the ride.
Yeah, this bike's perfect first bike for learning. Or just a nice little bike to have extra for someone that comes over and wants to ride. Or if you just want something for zipping around town. Short commutes. Great on gas. I like it.
RPS Cruiser tearing through the night, power and style in the pale moonlight. 6 gears to freedom, leave the world behind. The road is my kingdom, my throne's the ride. EFI heartbeat steady and true. Chrome and shadow cut the highway in two. Demand the road to answer your call. Lean into the curves, don't fear the fall. RPS Cruiser tearing through the night, power and style in the pale moonlight. 6 gears to freedom, leave the world behind. The road is my kingdom, my throne's the ride.
I know. Just wanted to see if it would go over 69 or 70 this time. And it did. So yeah, that other rear sprocket should do good. Might have been able to do 72 or 73 this time. Felt like it. Get a lot more waves than my dual sports do. That reminds me, I had to get some tiny rod holders. What the heck is he blowing a horn for? Little baby rod holder for my kayak. See if we can get Mama on the back of this. She can even drive it. It's so little, she touches the ground. Like it's a 250. I'm gonna have to get her sitting on this. Maybe I'll sit behind her and let her drive and put my arms around and reach. Maybe. We'll have to see. Oh. electric 2x4s. I should get them out of the road. That's dangerous. All you gotta do is have someone hit that with a motorcycle. Had screws in it and everything. Ooh, touched my foot, side of my shoe on that one. Got to check the chicken strips on the tire. I'm getting it over about as far as you want, because I did scuff the side of my shoe. Got those black key tags coming in too, boys. I'll probably open up the sales of those pretty soon. If you win being the first comment, let me know and I'll put you on the list. You have to wait probably another 3 weeks and I'll send them out, because the yellow ones I did not reorder, and I might have about 50 of those left. Those black ones were very popular. Fun ride. Yeah, so you do fit on there.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.